Is Google Chrome spying on you? Stop it now. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Now, tap the three dots icon in the bottom right corner. Then select Settings from the pop-up menu. Here, scroll down just a bit and open Privacy and Security. Then tap on Safe Browsing at the top. Change it from Standard to Enhanced Protection. This provides real-time protection against dangerous websites and downloads. Go back to the Privacy and Security page. Here, turn on the Always Use Secure Connections option. With this, Chrome will warn you before visiting unsecured websites. Next, turn on Warn if passwords are exposed in a data breach option. Chrome will notify you if your saved passwords have been compromised. Return to the main settings page and open Content Settings. Here, tap on Block Pop-ups at the top. Simply turn this option on. This helps prevent unwanted advertisements and scam pop-ups. Go back to the main settings page and tap on your profile picture at the top. Now, scroll all the way down and select Manage your Google account. Scroll down slightly and open the Data and Privacy section. Here, select My Activity. Scroll down a little and tap on Web and App Activity. Turn this feature off. This stops Google from saving your browsing activity, searches, voice activity, and app usage. Now, go back to the Data and Privacy page. Under Personalized Ads section, tap on My Ad Center. Here, turn off personalized ads. Google will show general ads instead of ads based on your behavior. These simple changes can reduce tracking and improve your online privacy.